Right, we're just going to look at what ions each group forms. This is how you remember it. Positive 1 ion, positive 2 ion, positive 3 ion. We're not interested in this, it's too difficult for us, this group 4. Then you've got negative 3 ion, negative 2 ion, negative 1 ion. Right, so group 1, what did we say it's called? Alkali metals. Alkali metals. Group 2 is called alkaline earth metals. Group 7 are the halogens or halogens. And group A or group 0 are called the noble gases. Right, let's move on. I want to know, I'll have to leave that there. Can I, hello. Yes, I can. Right. Excuse me for a second. Right, okay. Here's the question. I want to know what sodium, not sodium, let me write it in full. I want to know what sodium chloride is. Nope, that's going to cause confusion. Let's go back, let's use it, sodium chloride. Right, the symbol for sodium, what I do is go across, this you've got to know these, yeah? Sodium is there, it's Na. So I know, let me just take that, that is Na. So I go to sodium and I look up, it's group 1, so it's going to form a +1 ion. I'm not interested in the sign at the moment. I'm not interested in the plus, just the size. And chloride, whenever you got chloride, think of chlorine. And chlorine is in group 7. If you come down here, can you see that Cl there? So I'm going to put, let me use, is there any nice colors? See, it's confusing now. Chlorine. And it's a -1 ion. Now, like I said, I'm not interested in these signs yet. I'm not, so I'm going to ignore them. Let's pretend they don't exist. Right? Now, because these two numbers are both 1, I can ignore them. So my chemical formula for sodium chloride is NaCl. Right? Because that goes down there, that goes down there. It becomes Na1Cl1, but we do not have to write this one. Bye-bye. And this one. Bye-bye. Now, you try this one. Let's do potassium bromide. So you think about that. Get the chemical formula symbols on first, sorry. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for potassium, lithium, sodium, potassium. So I'm going to come over here and write K. And then bromide is bromine, so fluorine, chlorine, bromine, bromide, I put Br. Capital B, lowercase r. Now I go back and I look for the sign and the size. It's a +1. Yeah, I'm going to write +1 for completeness sake. Now, look for bromine. It's there. It's -1, -1, -1. I'm not interested in the signs, so this bit I'm not interested in, and this bit I'm not interested in. I'm only interested in the numbers, so that one and that one. And because they're both ones, I can ignore them. I can say bye-bye, bye-bye. So my chemical formula is KBr. Right, another one that you might come across is something like calcium chloride. Okay, so I go look at where's calcium. Ooh, right, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. There you go, it's in group 2. So that's gonna Ca plus 2. And what did we say chloride was? You go to group 7, halogens, fluorine, chlorine. We'll give you a chloride. Yeah, Cl minus 1. Now, remember we said we're not interested in that, so let me get rid of that and get rid of that. I'm not interested in this, so this is all going on in my head. Now, have you noticed that the signs are different? Sorry, the sizes are different. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a cross method. We're going to cross them over method, right? So now what I've got is I'm going to write it here so everybody can see it. So it's Ca1Cl2. Now, because it's a 1, we do not need to write that one. It looks silly, so we ignore that. So now my chemical formula for calcium chloride is C here, ACl2. Right, what I want you to do is I'm going to put some up here, see if you can do them for me, yeah. So if I said to you magnesium oxide calcium bromide, let's do another one, number 3. What about lithium oxide? Right, so give yourself some time and get those done. So what I'll do now is I'll put that on for you. So it's going to be magnesium oxide, calcium bromide, lithium oxide. Right, that's it. Well done.